चेंज द रियलिटी चॅक हाच्या आदल्या एपिसोडान आमी भुरग्यां कडेन गेली, भुरग्यां कडेन संवाद साधून हो विशय आमी तुमचे मेरेन पावपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. आनी भुरगेपण जातकूच येता तें तरणाटेपण. आनी अशेंच एक तरणाटे जे ह्या विशयाचेर तळमळीन वावुरता, नेचर आनी सैमाच्या संबंदीन ज्या विशयाचेर ते वावुरता, अशें एक तरणाटे आमचे मदीं आयज आसा. ते म्हणल्यार वैभवी नायक. वैभवी नायक हे NYCCचे अंतर्गत तांणी कार्य केलां. तशेंच एक ते शिक्षक आनी एक बरे वक्ते जांणी वेगवेगळी सेशन्स घेवन शाळेंनी, कॉलेजींनी नेचराचे विशीं, क्लायमेट चेंजाचे विशीं जागृताय हाडपाचो यत्न केला आनी आजून मेरेन ते करत आसा. वेगवेगळे टॉक्स ते अरेंज करता आनी तातूंतल्यान अवेरनेस क्रिएट करता. वैभवी बाई, तुमकां परत एकदा येवकार.
थँक्यू.
पयल्यान पयलीं तुमकां एनवायरमेंट आनी क्लायमेट चेंज ह्या विशया संबंदान आवड कशी निर्माण जाली?
क्लायमेट चेंज कडेन तर हांव खूब वेळान पावलां, पण कशें आसलें की ल्हानपणाच्यान नेचरा कडेन खूब लागीं आशिल्लें. कारण जावन आसा म्हजी आजी. विथ माय आजी आय यूज टू गो, शी वॉज अ फ्लावर सेलर.
ओके.
सो तांच्या बरोबर हांव तांच्या बरोबर वचप, फुलां काडप, मागीर ते पळयत आसतना कांय गोश्टी विचारप की ही अशी फुलां कशी, तशी कशी, कशें गुंततात, हे सगळें. मागीर दनपारचे टायमार जेन्ना ती आड पडटाली, सांजची आमी आय मीन दनपारां आमी मातशें जेवतकीर मातशी आड पडटात, तेन्ना ती आड पडटाली. बट हांवूच कूस मारून भायर सरतालें. एंड देन आय यूज टू सी इफ देर आर कितें अशें सायडीन कितें मुयो बी भोंवतात जाल्यार आय यूज टू सिम्पली स्टेट विथ देम, पळयतालें कशी भोंवतात, कितें करतात, मेकिंग द ब्रिज बिटवीन टू लिव्स, मेकिंग देम वॉक हियर एंड देर. सो ऑल ऑफ दीस. आनीक हाज्या उपरांत मागीर म्हाका दिसता मागीर सो म्हजें स्कुलींग हांव मडगांवच आशिल्लें. इन माय लायक विलेज इज लोलयेम. सो आय हॅव बीन नेटिवली फ्रॉम लोलयेम विलेज, काणकोण. आनीक रावतात आमी मडगांव बिकॉज माय फादर्स वर्क. सो वेन आय वॉज इन सिटी इट वॉज अ लॉट ऑफ डिस्कनेक्ट बिटवीन नेचर एंड मी. सो मागीर खूब उपरांत लायक लकीली वेन आय वॉज इन माय कॉलेज टायम, तेन्ना परतें मातशें नेचरा कडेन चड कनेक्शन जावपाक लागलें, सुरवात जाली. जशें थोडे वर्कशॉप्स आशिल्ले वेरेन बटरफ्लायजांची नांवां, किंवां आमचे गुरू आशिल्ले, टिचर्स आशिल्ली, दे इंट्रोड्यूस्ड अस टू द नेचर अगेन, वी कॅन से. दे टूक अस, दे स्टार्ट टेकिंग अस फॉर बर्डिंग, बर्ड्साची नांवां कळप, हें तें. देन इट वॉज व्हेरी फॅसिनेटिंग. I was so curious to know about and be friends with everything that was around me. So that's how I started getting more close to the plants and animals, even more than the people.
Okay.
And I think after that I was looking for opportunities. Ashe kire asa wherein I can be a part of. So even jenna BSc kartale in Chowgulli College, and then we had a dissertation. So then we wanted to do something with regards to wildlife. And luckily I had friends also who had similar interests. So आमी 5 जाणां मेळ्ळी, and then we started working on golden jackals, जेका आमी कोंकणीन कोले म्हणटात. आनीक तातूंतल्यान मागीर चडशे वेळार आमी फिल्डार आसतालीं. सकाळी फुडें 5:30 उठून वचप, फिल्डाचेर पावप, मागीर सांजचे रात म्हणल्यार तेंच्यो कुयेल्यो आयकुवप, हें तें सगळें. आनीक अशेंच मागीर वेगळे वेगळे जे NGOs सद्याक वावुरतात, सो थ्रू देम तांचे वर्कशॉप अटेंड केले, किंवा तांच्यांनी कॅम्प्स केला जाल्यार त्या कॅम्पान वचप आनी खुबश्यो म्हायती इन्फॉर्मेशन जाणून घेवप, बर्डिंगाक वचप. मागीर टायगर सेन्सस म्हणून एक आशिल्लो, वेरेन आय टूक पार्ट इन. सो फॉर अ वीक वी वर इन खोतिगांव वायल्ड लायफ सँच्युरी लुकींग फॉर अ ट्रेसीस ऑफ टायगर्स. आनीक अशें करून जाता तितले ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज मेळत गेले. देन देर वॉज PBR सर्वे, पिपल्स बायोडायवर्सिटी रजिस्टर म्हणून. सो 3 विलेजीसान आय गॉट ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ वॉलंटियरींग करपाक. सो हातूंतल्यान देर वॉज स्ट्रॉंग कनेक्शन्स दॅट वॉज गेटिंग डेवलप बिटवीन मी एंड द नेचर. आनीक मागीर एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी अशी आयली वेरेन which was NYCC, that is National Youth Climate Consortium. We were the first cohorts. They had just since I was working as a consultant, whenever I would see if anybody requires any help for conducting any workshops or something, they would approach me, I would go. And that's how somebody sent it to me, like, why don't you apply for this, why don't you try? And then I did not know exactly what it was and all that, but I said, okay, since ani कितेतरी opportunity संधी मेळटली कितेतरी शिकपाची न्यू करपाची, and then I happened to fill the form. And somehow I got selected.
सो ते आताच NYCCचं मेन्शन केलं आणि तू यंग इंडियाचे क्लायमेट चॅम्पियनूय जाला. सो एक क्लायमेट चॅम्पियन जातकूच कितें रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज येतात?
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज म्हणल्यार इट इज लायक की सद्याक यू कॅन अंडरस्टँड की सगळें कितें कितें चालू आसा, अँड देन वॉट कॅन आय डू, हाऊ कॅन आय कॉन्ट्रिब्यूट. आणि अशें न्ही की यू कॅन बी एवरीवेअर
सारकें.
सो आय वॉज लायक वॉट कॅन आय डू माय बेस्ट or whatever skills I have. So and for me I wanted to at least, because 6 months is very like can say kami time kiva, depends on how you take it. And since I was also teaching at that time, so the only time that I would get was on Sundays or in the evenings. And so the responsibility was that I had to reach out to maximum youth, like as much youths as possible, to connect them with the cause of National Youth Climate Consortium, like, you know, to connect them with the climate change topic. And then it's not like I go and just talk to them about climate change. It doesn't happen that way. So for me it was like connecting them with the nature first. Like, and making, like, just like how I got connected with nature, just like how I felt that fascination and how I felt that love towards, and then how am I now concerned about certain things. So I wanted to build that connection. So I wanted to have that behavioral changes seen in them. कित्याक एक दोनदा आमी कशें आसता की I started off with okay, I'll conduct a lot of awareness sessions in schools, colleges. People started approaching me as well, a lot of schools and colleges. So I went on, but then something in me was not feeling satisfied, because कशें जाता की तूं एक दीस वता, talks दिले, and then you come back. But then एक दिसान students will nicely listen. But then after they go home, or like maybe 2-3 days later, again they'll forget, or they'll get busy with the other things, no? Distractions asa. So then for me the challenging part was, or I wanted to know, like, how to keep them connected with the cause. अशें कितें करूं येता की तांकां you know how to keep them connected with the cause. And then I started thinking about some strategies.
Okay.
So when I went on to school, like lower kids, जेन्ना स्कुलान वचपाक गेले for awareness sessions, I happened to talk to them in a way ki you all watch like, you know, there's Marvel stories, superheroes and all that, and like, you know, currently we require those kind of superheroes, we require this kind of you know
interesting way.
And that sort of, they were like and then I would show them pictures of like how I would take the other students out for nature trails and all, and then they were like and I said, see, these are some of the selected students, you know, selected people that I take them, because they're very much connected with the cause. And they you know, I see that we have you know, meetups, and we do things, and I want more from your school also.
Okay.
And then I would give them tasks. I would tell them, introduce to them about different biodiversity wonders that we have in Goa.
Okay.
To keep it regional wise, because आमच्या textbookan we learn a lot of things, but अशें दिसता की we're learning about something else which is very far. I wanted them to connect with something that is there around their house, something that they see and they feel connection with. So अशें करून I started getting them, and then I told them that see, next year I'll come again. And during that time I will see that one of your school teachers, they will monitor you as in, you know, you can come ask them if you have any queries, if you see something. So थोडेशे when I used to go in college section, I would introduce them to something called as citizen science tools असतात थोडे. For example, there is an app called iNaturalist app. I would teach them how to use that. That is another amazing thing. It's like almost like a Pokemon Go game. They, whenever they see any species, no, any plant or animal, they can actually take a picture.
Okay.
And they can it helps you in identifying. It helps you in telling which plant it is or which animal it is. Gives a little information about it. आनीक this data, the photographs that they're uploading, it can be then used by the scientists for making some meaningful interpretations. So they can use it for a research purpose. So I thought it was a wonderful thing. So I started, telling that about this particular apps. I would make them use it then and there. Download it. Let's try. I would give some photos on the projectors, and I would tell them, okay, now you try. So I would also teach them how to use it simultaneously. And then there was this one incident wherein my college student actually, when I used to teach environmental studies, and they were common students, and they felt like EVS Maldar, they would not take it that seriously. So then I would talk to them about certain numbers, statistics, and how in a commercial way also, how climate change can affect the economy and all of that sort things. And then when I introduced them to this iNaturalist wala app, and after 2-3 weeks, two of students came to me saying that, ma'am, we got this notification, what does it mean? And it said that thank you for your contribution, it has been used for a scientific research. And then then I told them, now it is used, that data, and they were so happy, and they were like, okay, now it will keep taking more. And it was a photo of just a mosquito or something. They just found it dead. They just took a picture, put it there. But then there is a person who was actually working on something to do with the mosquitoes. So that information was useful for him. So all of these things.
Okay. Yes. So आता तुम्ही बायोडायवर्सिटीचे मेन्शन केले. सो बायोडायवर्सिटीचे बद्दल गोंयान कितें इंटरेस्टिंग फॅक्ट्स आसा जे तुमी आमकां सांगपाक शकता?
So with regards to the biodiversity and its connection with climate change, जेन्ना हांव स्कुलान कॉलेजीन आशिल्लें तेन्ना आमचो एक प्रोफेसर, ही वॉज टिचींग प्लांट एनिमल इंटरेक्शन टॉपिक, and तातून he mentioned to us how birds which migrate and come during winter season to Goa, or any migration that happens, from different countries, right, from Australia, from so far distance they travel, sometimes in the morning, sometimes at nights, and how do they know what is the path? And every year they travel and they come to the same path, same birds, they are even tagged ki same birds त्याच जाग्यार परती येतली. They will come with their maybe offsprings and all of that. So when there was a question ki how do they come to know, so there were few things apart from other things. They use something called as cues, bio indicators. जशे आमी landmarks use करतात तशे अमक्या सिजनाक अमकी फुलां फुलतली, सो त्या फुलाचो रंग किंवा they use it as a landmark की हांगच्यान अशें रायट मारपाचें, all those things.
तेंचो गुगल मॅप.
Yeah. And even bioluminescence at night, even those bioluminescence actually tell them which pathway, where basically which pathway to take, which road to take and all that. And then because of climate change, because of global warming, many things are changing. Even 20 वर्सां पयलीं हीट वेव्स वगैरे कॉन्सेप्ट नासतालोच, आमकां केन्ना सुटी पळोवंक ना हीट वेव्साची.
खरें.
बट आतां पळोवपाक गेल्यार इट्स सो फ्रिक्वेंट. इवन मान्सून, वेदर इज चेंजिंग क्वायट अ लॉट. केन्नाचोय पावस पडटा, केन्नाय गरमी जाता, रेनकोट घालू की स्वेटर घालू, कांयच समजना. ऑल ऑफ दीस थिंग्स. And imagine the kind of effect it would be having on plants and animals. Different cues which are there in the biodiversity, and then how the weather and the climate change can actually hamper their migratory routes, or it can be very devastating, not just for the birds but the lesser known faunas, the lesser known animals, बारीक सारीक जीव जंतू आसात. We don't know, even थोडेशे अशे आसात की आमी अजून एक्सप्लोरूच आमकां खबर सुद्दां ना की their existence. And we wouldn't even come to know if they get extinct. So अशें आसा, because they're very sensitive towards temperature maybe, or maybe pH.
तर सध्या आमी तांकां इग्नोर करता अशें जाता.
But there needs to be a thing wherein असपाक जाय की तांकांय
आमी कन्सिडर करतात.
Yes,
as a part.
Yes. Yeah.
आनी आतां तुमी एक एक सेशन्स करतात अवेरनेस क्रिएट करपाक आनी खुबशे कितें कितें आनी आतां तुमी एप्साचेरूय उलयली सो तो एप आसा तो असो स्टडींक वा आनी खंयच्या प्रोजेक्टाक बेनिफीट करता खंयचे एक प्रोजेक्ट तुमी सांगपाक शकता
हय. सो आतां फॉर एग्जाम्पल आतां भुरग्यांचे सुद्दां खुबशे अशे कॉलेज लेवलाचे डिजर्टेशन्स वगैरे आसात सो दे कॅन एक्चुली like use those particular apps to maybe record their day-to-day findings or they can send an email and get this information and then they can make some they can interpret that data. So आता सद्याक इकोसिस्टमान कशें कितें आसा किंवा other for example if they are doing they're taking some information from say there's a app called eBird wherein only birds related information असता so they can find out like birds pattern कशें आसा migratory birds we have in winters in Goa so like कितले like in because there are many birders also in Goa we have Goa Bird Conservation Network म्हणून एक organization asa and through that a lot of people go for birding every once in a month and all so they can collect this data and they can understand as in are the population reducing or is it change like temi in which season you can statistically find out the information then
ओके अशे तरेचे आनीक आतां एक खंयची म्हत्वाची गजाल आसा जी युथान आतां अवेर जावपाक जाय एनवायरमेंट रिलेटेड आनी जर अवेर करपाचें जर तुमच्या वटेंतल्यान जालें जाल्यार खंयची गजाल आसतली ती
ओके सो I think there are many things happening especially in Goa and youths have to be aware about many things at the same time they have to be also actively participating it may be even in the individual level if not something big like getting into any projects or something like that but at least individual level something to start off with at home like segregating waste or maybe doing composting or maybe like for example recently we had this now this place that I come from like the village Loliam we have something called Film City Project 3 upasar Shillo in Loliam and it's the thing is that it's not possible to have that in Goa and even though like even if permissions may sudha zale currently the communities do not want that to happen because they know that in future it's going to really affect them the water table is going to get really disturbed because of it like now also you can see that so the plateaus which are there so this film city that is proposed is on one of the plateaus and in plateaus they are considered as a wasteland because in the summer seasons and all you can hardly see they're very dry and thing but then in the monsoons they are so lively they are so thriving and they're not exactly they're not wastelands there's a lot of biodiversity there and they act as a sponge they conserve water and because of that water table it becomes and especially in Loliam like a village where there is the landscape is such that there is a forest, there's a plateau, then there are valley and then the rivers and the oceans. So it is going to cost them a lot. It will definitely hamper the livelihood of the people also in future. So it's not a thing. And then if youths do come to know of some projects like this happening, then I think they should be active enough to go and participate in whatever way they can.
तुम्ही अंडर NYCC वेगवेगळे प्रोजेक्ट्स केल्यात सो ते प्रोजेक्टा संबंधान तूं आमकां कितें सांगूंक शकता
so as I said during NYCC I came up with this ideology of eco-connecting Goa because there are lots of people who are already working and doing fabulous work in the conservation, may it be biodiversity conservation, may it be sustainability, lots of things. So for me, I wanted to connect with these people and I wanted to see how the youths that are connecting with me for this cause, they can also be connected with these people because
Okay.
they already there are people who are already working.
Okay.
So it's not like you have to start something new, but basically strengthening them or strengthening the youths by giving them a direction that okay, these people, they work on this. If you're interested, you can connect with them, you can work in that. And so some things which I started off with, or the activities that I did, was एक आशिल्ले base segregationaचेर. So I took some I connected with a youth who could teach people about composting. So and we tried calling the women women along with the kids, because finally just if we give the workshop, if we just have the workshop with the kids, they may ऐकतली घरा वतली, some may do, mostly they will not do. But then when we call the women of the house, because mostly they are the ones who would be keeping things in place, and so then we caught them and then we gave them kits and all. So that was like one of the activity. The second activity was definitely creating creating awareness through school or college workshops or talks, seminars here. And then third was by conducting trails, which was with a mixed group. A mixed group as in the older generation, the youths as well as the kids, with small number again. म्हणजे कशें आसता की we think that it's or we say normally that youths are the ones who have to, definitely they are the frontliners. They are more dynamic, they are more innovative, creative. But then at the same time, I think everyone should go hand in hand, and especially the older generation that is there, जी जाणटी आसा आमची, तांच्याकडे इतलें नॉलेज आसा, दे आर सो नॉलेजेबल, दे हॅव ट्रेडिशनल नॉलेज जी आमी म्हणटात, विथ रिगार्ड्स टू कल्चर, विथ रिगार्ड्स टू certain rituals, and they also have a scientific reason, some of them, like most of them, and this has to be passed on from generation to generation, but you don't see that normally happening, or ek visar padat gela. So it was a way wherein Amchi Paase, through the term called Amchi Paase, in the evening we would just ask the interested ones to come, and like 2-3 families, or like elder with kids or with youths, with college kids and their aji or ajoba and जी धाकटी कोण तेंची घरातली आसा, we would go out and then we would tell them की ह्या झाडा कशें म्हणटात, and they would tell us कोंकणी name, or they would tell us some stories, the older generations. जाणटेली आसा तीच सांगताली, आमच्या टायमार अशें करताली, आमी हेजेन खेळटाली, ऑल दीज थिंग्स. मागीर फॉर एक्झाम्पल सायलाचो रूख आसा, तेजे पानाची तांबडो कलर काडून लायताली, आनी यूज्ड टू लायक प्रँक ऑन ईच अदर. सो अशें. आनीक सो ही गोश्टी ल्हानूय भुरगीं आयकतात, आनी दे फील कनेक्शन, दॅट कनेक्शन. एंड youths also, they are the ones that who can take this and then pass it on again in the future. So that was one initiative, Amchi Paase. Then I led something called as Golden Checker Study Group. So जाचेर आमी कॉलेज टायमाचेर जाचेर आमी डिजर्टेशन सुरू केलेलें कॉलेजाचेर, आनीक 2-3 वर्सां अशें चड इन्वॉल्वमेंट नाशिल्ली because of my other work. So during NYCC I got a chance to resume my work in that, and then I started conducting Golden Checker trails. ज्या कडेन आमी सांची whoever were interested came, and then we went out, we looked for jackals, and then we could also spot jackals. There were many people who had joined us, and they said that we have never heard jackals, फकत आयकला काण्यो, कोल्याल्यो काण्यो आयकलात, पण फर्स्ट टायम आमी आयकला आयज अशें. म्हणटकीर it was, so basically my concept was to make people connect with the nature, as well as that coexistence जे जाय, to stay along with the wild animals and plants that we have around. So that was something that I wanted to foster.
तुम्ही एक आपलो अनुभव आसा तो शेअर केलो. अशें आनी खंयचे अनुभव आसा तुज्या ह्या क्लायमेट एक्टिविजम जर्नीन जे तुज्या बरोबर उरले, ते एक खंयचे सांगूंक शकता तो आमकां?
I'll just share one experience.
Okay.
So we have like Goan shorzan we can see something called as bioluminescence in a particular season. Phytoplanktons जे असतात जे light emitting असतं. Yeah, so I was very fascinated when I came to know like something like this is there, and I went on to experience it. And then later on I realized that that is also one of the bioindicator of how seas are getting warmed up, and that phenomena happens because of the increase in the temperature of so that was one interesting thing, or maybe something that I did not know of and then I learned about it. New thing that I learned. Apart from that, interesting things, I think when I was studying geckos, okay, so interesting thing I'll say that so when I was a kid, I used to even get scared of butterflies coming close to me. Scared in sense I used to be like ती उनके बसताली अशी moths especially at night and all, and I used to feel like I'm going to hurt them or something. There was a little thing, and whatever insects I would try to keep away, and even parents normally say that to their kids, no, like किती insects किती दिसले जाल्यार ए सांभाळून ना पयस राव, this so but then now that all over the years when I see back and I feel like it's, I mean, they not have those kind of thoughts with regards to them. It's not required. Yeah, we need to be aware, but then maybe we should not have negative thoughts. Like we and when we understand about them, even same way with snakes. आमकां रोकडीच भंय दिसता पयले म्हणटकीर. पहिले म्हणजे रोकडीच भंय दिसता, and then many people normally they do is they want to kill, which is not right. I mean, you should definitely call any rescuer and rescue it. But then if you know ki ha baba ho red snake and it's not cobra or it's not any other snake or it's not poisonous snake, so when you have that information you might not fear that much and you might let it go. But just because many people think ki snake म्हणटकीर चापतलो मरतली, that fear, when we have this fear or that जे misunderstanding asa or जे disconnect asa, it creates lot of conflicts. So that, and then another interesting thing was that when we were doing this Jekyll project, we came to know something called as so खुबशे लोक कॉलेज जे आसा तांकां फॉक्सीस म्हणून वळखतात, बट इन गोवा वी डोंट हॅव फॉक्सीस. ओके, या, सो इन गोवा वी हॅव गोल्डन जेकॉल्स. And then there was this thing wherein when we used to do this interview service, लोकांकडे वचून जेन्ना माहिती घेताली, information collect करताली, they told us that many times, like long time back, what they would do, no, whenever they would hear jackals howling, कोल्यांची जेन्ना कुयेली सांजच्या माहित्याची बी आयकुपाक येतात, because they are most active at that time, they would close the ears of the kids. So that so that they do not so that the kids do not get something called as कॉलो खोकली. कॉलो खोकली म्हणून एक प्रकार आशिल्लो आसा. सो तांकां दिसतालें की ते कोल्याच्यो हुयेली आयकून ते भुरग्यांक जावपाक शकता म्हणून ती कान बंद करताली. And not just that, it would they would also see that जेन्ना आमी फायंड आवट केलें एक्चुली की कॉलो खोकली म्हळ्यार कशें, कित्याक पासून जाताली, वॉज इट रियली बिकॉज ऑफ जेकॉल हावलिंग्स, जाल्यार आमकां एक जो एक्सपिरियन्स्ड लायक जाणटो डॉक्टर आशिल्लो तांकां जेन्ना विचारलें, ही सेड दॅट इट इज नथींग बट वूपिंग कॉफ. So people earlier would get something called as whooping cough, wherein तेमी खोकता आसतना they would get this shrill sound, like so it sounded like, that coughing would sound like somewhat like howling, that shrill thing. म्हणून but then so whooping cough is also called as pertussis, medical term. And it's nothing to do with the jackals actually. And with the medications, maybe पयलींच्या काळार medicines वगैरे नासताले, and then people were scared and then they resembled how the sound, like soundaचे आणि हुयेलीचे कशे तेमी resemblance करून connect केले. And then they would also okay, let me not talk about that, but Yeah. So you can understand like that disconnect which is there between biodiversity, because when you talk about biodiversity, everything comes, all plants, all animals. So Ashit, so I find those things interesting ki how we are away from it, and then we tend to misunderstand many things.
Correct.
And then when we start understanding those things, we actually come closer to it. For now, I am very comfortable with butterflies.
Okay.
I go after them, trying to find out their names and all that. So, yeah, I think it's all about learning, understanding,
आणि पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह कसं असतं.
perspectives. Yeah,
Yes,
very
yeah.
important.
मॅम थँक्यू फॉर युअर टायम आनी तुमी हांगा मुद्दम आयली म्हणून.
Thank you.
आनी खुबश्यो गजाली आमकां खबर नाशिल्ल्यो त्यो म्हाका दिसता आमच्या ऑडियन्साकूय त्यो कळटल्यो. इंट्रस्टींग फॅक्ट्स म्हणल्यार कोलो म्हणल्यार आमी तो पॉक्स म्हणटात तो गोंयान खरो नाच, हें म्हाका आयज पयले फावट कळ्ळां. तर आजच्या मुलाखतींतल्यान आमकां नवे नवे विशय कळ्ळे आनी तशेंच इंट्रस्टींग फॅक्ट्सूय आमकां कळ्ळे जे आमकां मे बी आमकां चडशे जाणांक खबर नासतले. अशेच नवे विशय आनी नवे विचार आमी तुमच्या मुखार घेवन येत रावतली. तो मेरेन पळयत रावात द वॉयस फॉर गॉन.